Today, India is acknowledged for its success in economics, trade, industry, education and science, largely due to liberalization that has resulted in increasing integration of India with the global economy. Yet, poverty was and is its most serious challenge. Fired by the passion to empower these underprivileged, the Buldana Urban Credit Cooperative Society was founded with a meager capital of $210 and 72 members. But the quality and spread of services have ensured a global acceptance for the society that is based in Buldana, a growing city in the state of Maharashtra in India. The vision of its founder, Mr. Radheshyamji Chandak, and his ceaseless efforts have borne fruit.
कुणाला विश्वासही वाटणार नाही सहकारामध्ये असं काही घडू शकते, परंतु श्रद्धेने आणि मनापासून जर एखादं काम केलं तर काय घडू शकते. बुलढाणा अर्बन आज तरी सहकारातलं एक आदर्श उदाहरण आहे.
The multi-state society is today a behemoth with 245 branches, 3,500 employees, 500,000 members and $1 billion business. Ably led by its tech-savvy MD, Mr. Sukeshji Zawar, the Buldana Urban depends on state-of-the-art technology to offer services like a data center and core banking, along with mobile and internet banking, which have accorded it the opportunity to work in association with multinational giants like Citibank, HSBC Bank and many more.
And such an amazing success in 25 years of span. Why it has occurred? It has occurred because of two breakout innovations. Now these breakout innovations are, one is 4-pillar system and other is social banking. Now what is 4-pillar system? 4-pillar system is an innovation, is a financial innovation in which the more money is poured into the institution, an institution can go for various projects. And the social banking. The principle behind social banking is people's money should be utilized for well-being of people.
The benchmark social inclination of the Buldana Urban is aptly reflected in the establishment of the Sahakar Vidya Mandirs, a network of 18 schools that aim to give the rural poor access to quality education in English medium at an affordable cost. Hostels like Ellora Niwas and Ajanta Chhatra Niketan for working women and students pursuing higher education in Pune, as well as a chain of godowns that offer a twin advantage of warehousing and timely credit to the farmers and building of roads, without which development would be seriously hampered. Currently, Buldana Urban and GTZ, a German insurance company, are in the process of working out the modalities for launching a health insurance plan in India. The Buldana Urban offers free education to wards of martyred soldiers and sponsors the wards of those farmers who unfortunately chose death over life. Spurred on by a concern regarding the lack of locally available medical facilities, the Buldana Urban operates a 24-hour ambulance service. The building of guest houses for devotees in Tirupati and Mahur has lent a distinct identity to the Buldana Urban. In reverence to the ages-old tradition of worship of cows, the Buldana Urban has built a shelter for their upkeep and protection. Since neglect of the aged is a universal and burgeoning problem, the Buldana Urban plans to set up a Jeevan Sandhya Swargashram, a home care center for senior citizens. Recognizing the bank's potential, the International Fund for Agriculture Development has lent its helping hand to the society in adopting villages of 50,000 people. Apart from mainstream loans like gold and silver loan, higher education, vehicle and housing loan, bicycle loans for students, cooking gas loans for the underprivileged families, and loan against crop to farmers. It is therefore a matter of immense pride that the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, is working in association with Buldana Urban. The society owes its success to the continuous support of its members. The residency club set up by the bank caters to this strong base of members and offers them a range of ultra-modern amenities, well-furnished rooms, Wi-Fi connectivity, a conference and a banquet hall, and a well-equipped gym with spa. The revenue thus generated supports a multitude of social schemes. Projects like a cleaning and grading plant, the DSP housing project for the marginalized, distribution of solar lanterns, planting and preserving of thousands of trees, and the construction of a water plant reflect the people and environment-friendly approach of society. It is no wonder then that the Buldana Urban has been honoured with awards like Maharashtra Cooperative Agro Innovation Award and the prestigious state-level Samaj Bhushan Puraskar. The society's efforts have been appreciated by no less than the World Bank, which has sent a team to Buldana Urban to study the implementation of social banking. Struggle has not daunted the spirit of its founders, for whom these lines of Robert Frost are a motto. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.